Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Ice from the Heat Notify team, and today I've come here to talk to you about safely buying sneaker bots online. It's something we teach within the Cook Group. We also teach how to flip within the Cook Group, the best places to buy and sell your bots to make your money. As you can see down here, we have an amazing channel on solely bot flipping. It's pretty great. We have a dev in-house who teaches you everything about what to buy, what to sell, when to buy it, where to buy it, what to look to sell it for, and when you should be able to sell it. It's absolutely perfect for anyone looking to get into the space. Now I'll address a few questions about flipping bots. The first thing is it legal? Yes. In the United States, as of today, December 14th, 2019, it is 100% legal to buy, sell, and create sneaker bots. Ticket botting for things like concerts is currently illegal within the US. However, sneaker botting is 100% illegal and allowed to buy, sell, and create. You'll have no worries about any issue with feds coming after you for buying or selling these. You're 100% safe. I've been doing this for years. You're not going to encounter an issue ever. The next thing is it safe to buy sneaker bots? And the answer is, well, yes, it is. You just have to be very careful about how you do it and where you buy from. Buying these $25 bots you see on Instagram, while you may not get directly ripped off, they're not going to be the best bots for your money. Just avoid them. However, if you do want a top of the line best tier bot like something like Velox or Mech, which have been highly recommended by our bot dev Mitch, go look somewhere like Botbroker.io online, where you can see the best markets for purchasing bots. As you can see here, they have a wide range and selection of bots that you can buy from. Things like Swift AIO, Project Destroyer is extremely good for foot sites, Splash Force for splash page drops, Phantom, a very good sneakers bot, along with Ghost, Adept Supreme, Balco, Cyber AIO, to mention just a few. They have a perfectly good buying selling system. Their fees are fairly low and they do business very well and very quickly. I haven't encountered too many issues with them in the time I've used them. However, my personal favorite to buy, sell, and flip them are places like Discord, bot markets. Now, if you don't have a Discord, all you need to go to is discord.gg. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to find it. Sign up for an account, and then I'll leave the link to the invites to the servers in the description. My first favorite place to go is a place called Tidal Marketplace, and that's just this little server over here with the blue icon, and they have these nice announcements channels. I don't remember if they have a fee to get verified. It may be just a $1 fee. Some bot markets do have these just to verify that no one's a scammer. It's just for collecting info, and I can go into explaining that at a later date, but for now, there may be a fee. Don't worry about it, just pay it. It's worth your time if you're really trying to get invested, and it tends to be just a couple dollars. So you can talk to other people here within the marketplace. As you can see, they have access authenticators, support people to make DMs, other public relations people. And then if you scroll down in these channels over here on the left, you can see the want to sell, want to trade, and want to buy channels for all of these bots. Now, if you see this WTS or want to sell, all you do is click on it, and these are everyone selling this bot, listing their price and whether it's a renewal or lifetime fee bot. Now, it is important to note that renewal tends to be cheaper than lifetime bots because, well, you do have to pay renewal, and the renewal dates, whether it's 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months on a bot, will depend varying per copy and what the bot is. Balco, for instance, one of my favorite bots right now, as you can see, I'm running it down here in the bottom, has a 1-year subscription renewal fee of $360, I believe 6-month fee for $60, or a $40 edition for every 4 months, or lifetime keys, and the prices between those vary very often. The price can shift over. I've seen ones that have discrepancies of up to $1,000 depending on what renewal type you get. So it's important to remember when you're buying. As you can see here, Adept and the renewal, I'm assuming this is a shorter renewal, 150. Adept lifetime going for 450 right here. So there is a pretty big difference. Now, if you say you want to sell your bot or you want to trade it for something else, you would come right in here, this want to trade, want to buy tab. You would look here and you would simply just post want to trade Adept renewal, and then you would list your price. We'll say 150 USD. I don't have one right now, sorry that I can't spell, but that's all you would do, and you would receive DMs about people interested in purchasing your bot. From there, all you would need to do is you would need to go to ticket submission right here. You scroll down to the bottom, you would type -new and then the name of the bot you are buying, selling, or trading. And from there, you will be sent into a ticket up at the top where a middleman or someone who's going to protect your purchase for both the buyer and seller will assist you in either selling or purchasing your bot. Now, the way this system tends to work is the seller will send the key in the unbound or bound bot, and I'll go into the difference between those in a later video. to the middleman. The middleman will then verify that this bot, the key is 100% legit. The renewal that they stated is absolutely what the renewal is that you're buying, so everything's all perfectly in line. And then once they've authenticated all of that and have full control of the bot, so there's no way for the original seller to take it back, they will ask you to send the money to the seller. And once the seller confirms that you have sent the money, the middleman will send the bot and everything you need over to you, along with the guides and the Discord server access. Now, one thing to be wary of when you're purchasing in a Botmart is things called no burner bots. Now, some bots cannot be unbound from a Discord, and simply what that means is once you bind a key to a Discord, it can't be changed what key that Discord's on and who has access to unbind the bot. Some people will try to sell these for very cheap, and it looks like a very good deal. I tend to see this with Eve, is the most common bot I see unbound keys trying to be sold for, and they can discount it up to 60, 70, 80% off. Now, be very, very wary of this. If the bot has the ability to be unbound, buy it unbound. Do not waste your time trying to get something that is permabound, or they don't want to sell you the Discord. Just don't do it. If something can't be unbound, make sure you buy it on a burner. If someone has access to the main Discord account for the bot, and you have the software, all it takes is them putting in one command or clicking a simple button to take away the key from you, and then there's virtually nothing you can do about it. I see it happen a lot. It's very unfortunate. The middleman should warn you if there's a chance of this happening, and I would suggest backing out of the deal if there's a possibility and finding a better deal, even if this means you spending a little bit more money. But it's all for you to be safe and make sure your transaction goes smoothly. As I said, the goal is for this to be smooth and safe for everyone. These middlemen try to do it and they make it as best as possible. I personally middleman in another server I'll show you guys in a minute. But we do everything we can to make sure you guys are safe and everything goes smoothly when buying your bot. So the next bot server that I like to go into is Botmart. They're pretty cool. They also have a bot fee for verification, and they have drop recaps, their own soul food mart, chats, live listings, Discord. And then they also have it broken into sections: verified sell, unverified buy. All of these different sections you can scroll through and see they have a pretty wide selection of everything that you'd want to buy. Kodai is a very good bot. I'll probably be doing reviews on most of these bots for you guys. And then again, if you need to know what bot to buy, hey, join Heat Notify. We have someone who'll tell you exactly what the best bot for your money is right now. And then the one I personally middleman in here, as I'm staff, as you can see right here, is AYCD, and they're a wonderful group. I've loved working with them. We've never had an issue. It's been popping off lately. We've been having so many tickets, so many people are buying and selling in here, and they love to do it because it's such an easy method. We have a bot that comes in, all you have to do is input the information of everything you're going to sell, and then we take it from there. It's very little work. The fee is very low. It's usually only about $10 per transaction, which is very competitive and safe, cheap rate. And then down here, you'll see they have it grouped into want to sell, want to buys for Adidas bots, want to sell for Adidas bots, Nike bots, Supreme stuff. They have it nice and sectioned off. And again, if you need to know, which one should I buy right now, Heat Notify. We have the perfect guy to tell you who to do it, where to buy it, what to buy it. It all works out perfectly great. So if you follow my advice, join these servers. I'll drop the link in the description, or you can also buy from Bot Broker right over here. They have pretty good prices for buying, but again, I'll go into specific flipping guides later for you guys, so I don't take up too much of your time. You guys should have a great, safe, and effective time. Congrats on copying your first bot. I'm so happy for you guys. Join the Heat Notify team if you want to learn how to do all of this better, and if you want personal tips from me, I'm always helping out, answering people's questions. And with that, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the other side.